Hello children, welcome back to our math class. This is class 4 mathematics and today you are going to learn about a new topic. Okay, so this is term 2 and unit 1 geometry. In the previous class geometry you learned some 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So in this class you are going to learn about the symmetry. In this part, symmetric object, symmetric line and symmetric shapes. So this thing you are going to learn about today. So come, let's start the class.
Symmetric. Today we are going to learn about symmetric. In a geometrical part, we already learned some 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Different between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Now let's enter into the symmetric topic. Symmetric, a figure which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical figure. Okay, that is called a symmetrical figure. We want to cut it and get equal sizes. For example, see the apple and sun and butterfly. Some more pictures like that. We can divide into a two part. We get the equal sizes. The two half of the figures are the mirror image. Then symmetric line. A line which divides a figure into a two equal half is called the line is symmetric line. That line is called a symmetric line. Symmetric in geometrical shapes. So every geometrical shapes has a symmetric. For example, a square has a 4 line of symmetric. A rectangle has a 2 line of symmetric. A circle has a infinitive line of symmetric because circle is a closed surface area. So there is a lot of symmetric lines. An equilateral triangle has a 3 lines of symmetric. Only an equilateral triangle has a 3 line of symmetric. So every geometrical shapes has a symmetric lines. Symmetric line divided the parts. And let's see some more examples. Some of the things we check whether following the symmetrical shapes. See the butterfly, human being, Taj Mahal, then square, rectangle and leaf. This all is a symmetrical object. Symmetrical line and symmetrical object. Okay. Next, in every object has some views. For example, let's compare this square and rectangle. That is top view, front view, side views. Okay, so top view, side view and front views. Now let we do one activity, then you will get a clear idea of a symmetric. Come, let's see the activity.
Now let's see this symmetric object, symmetric line and a symmetric shape. First of symmetric object, you take any object like this. You cut it into the center point, we get a 2 equal sizes. Let's see. Now I am going to cut this lemon. See. Now you get it a 2 equal sizes of lemon pieces. So 2 equal sizes. The same. So it's a symmetric object. Then symmetric line. Symmetric line means any object you divide into the 2 points. The particular line. See this line. Clear? The picture, this line is divided into 2 equal parts. So this line is called a symmetric line. Symmetric object, symmetric line. Now symmetric shapes. Okay, now this is symmetric shapes. Now I am taking a white paper sheet, fold it in the one such that is covered into the two equal part. Clear? One white sheet and hold it and get a two equal side of sheet and make a point. See A and B. So 2 points and draw some figure like this. And cut the closed figure. See? Open. So white sheet and this folded paper. Now I am going to cut this figure like this. Now I got the symmetric shape. It's clear? I got the symmetric shape like this. Now let's see the symmetric figure. The line of the folder is in the line of symmetric. This line of the symmetric. So this is symmetric shapes. Okay. That's all children. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for listening.